Hello everyone, my name is Arpit Shukla and I'm a STEM enabler and educator as well. So today I got the opportunity to interact with you all on this platform. So first of all, I would like to wish you all a happy National Technology Day. We should also be thankful to our former Prime Minister, late Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, who has conducted the nuclear test successfully in the year of 1998 on the same day, 11th May. And the next year, in 1999, he has started to celebrate this auspicious day, National Technology Day. The main objective of National Technology Day is to remember our great scientists, engineers and researchers who have done a tremendous work in the by their contribution in the development of nation and technology. So every year National Technology Day has a unique and different concept or theme, you can say. The main goal is to raise an awareness about the technology in our society. Like we are surrounded by the technology everywhere, we can see the application of technology. So this year the theme is integrated approach of science and technology, which means सतत भविष्य के लिए विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी. So everything which you are watching out in our surrounding, जो भी आप देख रहे हो वो हर चीज़ में साइंस का कॉन्सेप्ट है, मैथमेटिक्स है, बिकॉज मैथमेटिक्स इज अ नेसेसिटी ऑफ लाइफ एंड साइंस इज नथिंग बट अ ऑब्जर्वेशन, recording, feeling. It is, and how the things are behaving. It is a main thing which we read in science. So I will talk about the current education system. Like after the 2020, as you all know, that in India national education policy has been implemented. So many tech companies and institutions and many startups has come into this with the concept of STEM or STEAM education, which is nothing. As STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and then one more domain is there, that is A, which means arts. Art includes creativity and design. So the main objective of implementing this education is to inculcate and generate natural interest for science and mathematics inside the students, and they should learn more about the arts concept also. So uh, are more implementation, are more work towards the students is to develop their uh, problem solving ability, uh, creativity, innovative mindset, or you can say entrepreneurial mindset, so that they can close the gap by contribution into the innovation economy. So they should, our study should be more like project based learning, practical learning, experiential learning, so that our students will come up with more ideas, more innovative ideas, uh, and they will contribute their uh, effort into the development of our nation. So keeping all these things in my mind, I also thought to share a series of video in which our trained students will show you something which is based on technology. Like some of our students will give a speech on technology, and some of our students will show you a play in which is based on technology, and some of our students will guide you through the robotics and their models by explaining its coding and working. So I would like to invite you all, please watch these series, and uh, please drop a comment at the end of the video. That's it. Thank you.